Okay, so ticking up yesterday's homework, page 18 to 21 of the EQAO package. How many real numbers are between 0 and 10? I'll go around. So, Margaret. Infinite, yeah. So decimals, basically like how many decimals are between 0 and 10? Infinite number of decimals. Good. Number 2, which statement about rational numbers is correct? Brian, what did you say, number 2? Oh, okay. Titus, do you have the answer for number 2? Jasmine, can you put your phone in your bag? Thank you. So Titus, page 18, number 2. Okay, we'll come back to you, Farhan. B, yeah. A rational number can be written as a fraction. So a fraction of integers, remember. Okay. So for example, 0.333333333 is a decimal that goes on forever. Why is it rational? What can you rewrite 0.333 as? Yeah. You can rewrite it as 1 over 3, right? So that's why it's a rational. Good. Number 3, Emmy, what did you get for number 3? C. The common numbers are always odd numbers. So again, if you do the Venn diagram between these, you'll see that the middle is always odd numbers. Good. Bessie, number 4. Okay, scientific notation. When you move this over to the right, you'll see that is C. Okay. Number 5. Let's see. Oh, you want to answer this one? Oh.
Question. 30 is not a odd number. 30 is a number.
Oh.
I got.
Sedna. Oh, it is B. Yes. It's B. Yes. Good call, because 30 is also it's in the middle, but it's not an odd number. So that's why you see this dot 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 dot. It actually keeps going. Good call, Margaret. Okay. Number 5. Hannah, did you get number 5? Select the value that makes this equation true. So what would go in here? The square box. So 6 plus something minus 3 would give you 12. Six plus what? So for example, if you do 6 plus 6, that's 12. 12 minus 3 gives you 9. Nope, I want 12. Alright, so 9, that's right. Alright, 6 plus 9 is 12. 6 plus 9 is 15. Minus 3 gives you the 12. Okay, what about the triangle? So 6 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 4 gives you 7. Okay, good. So exponent rules, you'll need to know it for the final exam as well, not just EQAO. Okay, Ivan, number 6. Okay, Hussein, did you get number 6? Okay, Yancy?
For number 6, I got D.
D, I got 2. Okay, let's work this one out. So it's asking for the least one. So basically it's forcing you to do all 4. So here, remember math, you do exponents. So brackets first and then exponents. So inside the bracket, you subtract the exponents. So 3 minus 4, negative 1. And then you do exponents. So then this is 1/4 times 4 to the negative 2. When you have an exponent raised to another exponent, you multiply. So negative 2. Okay, so this is 1, 4. What is 4 to the negative 2 exponent? What happens to the negative exponent again? What does that tell you to do? Negative? Doesn't become exponent. It becomes a fraction. You flip the base. Yes. So 4, when you flip the base, it becomes 1 over 4. And then the exponent is now positive 2. Okay. So basically, this becomes 1/4 cubed, and then which is 1 over 64. All right. And so if you try all those, this one is the smallest number. Okay. So exponent rule and also negative exponent rule. So this is a good review question. Negative exponent means to flip the base. Does the negative exponent make the fraction negative? No. Right, so remember that. It only flips the base. Okay. Number 7 on page 19. Sophia. A. Which fraction is equivalent to this? Yep, so when you just multiply both numbers by 2, you get this fraction. This is a negative number, so this one, 2 negative make a positive. This one is just a positive number. This is just a positive number. So, yeah. As long as you see just one negative, the whole number is negative. So I could rewrite this as 10 over negative 12, or I could also write negative 10 over 12 like this. Okay. Number 8. Max, number 8.
Number 8, I got 8.
Think again. Number 8 on page 19. All right, the first temperature measure is 7. And then, so 7 went down by 13, so minus 13, and then up by 4, and then down by 9, and then back up by 1. When you did that, okay. Okay, so is what? All right, so do the math with me. 7 minus Max, 7 minus 13. Yeah, so when you do that, negative 10 degrees. Okay, B. Number 9. Center. Oh, you stopped at number 8. Okay. Which one? Oh, no. Oh, explain number 9. Okay. So there are 42 students. 6/7 of the students are members of a school club. 1/4 of students who are members of a school club are also members of the school environment club. How many of these students are members of the school club but not members of that? Okay, so what do you think I should draw? Venn diagram, that's right. So when you have two sets and they're saying like a part of this but not part of that and stuff like that, so you know it's a Venn diagram. In total, there are 42 students. Okay. So this is the school club, and then the other is the environmental club. Okay. So 6/7 of the, so 36 of them. So if you do 6/7 of 42, that means 36 students. are members of the school club. Okay, so 36. Quarter of the students who are members of the school club are also members of the environment club. So 1/4 of 36 is 9. So 9 people are both. So 9 goes in here. Okay. Remember, this whole circle is 42. So if you do 42 minus 9, you get 33 right here. How many of these students are members of the school club but are not members of the environment club? So this part right here. So it is 30. Oh, wait, did I do my math wrong? Oh, yes, yes. 40, 42. Oh, no, 36 minus 9. I should do 36 minus 9. Because this circle has 36 students, so 36 minus 9, 27 is in here. So C. Okay. Do we have enough information to fill out the rest of the Venn diagram? Who says yes? I have enough information to fill out the rest. Who says no? I don't have enough information to fill out the rest. Okay, so Sophia, you said I have enough information to fill out the rest. What would those numbers be?
So there are 42 students, but 42 minus 27. Wait, no. 42 minus, oh yeah, 27 minus 9 minus, oh yeah, minus 9.
Okay, but then if I do 42 minus this, it means I put it here. But what if there are students that don't go to both clubs? Right? So I actually don't have enough information to fill out the rest of this because the rest of the students could be in this circle or in outside of the box. So just like the assignment, remember some of you forgot to draw that box. A lot of you guys just drew the 2 circles and you forgot that there could be something outside the box. Right. Okay, so okay, number 10. Number 10, Alvin. Number 10. On page 19, number 10. You got D? I think so too. Good. Okay, so when you multiply, remember you're distributing, so multiplying it to everything inside the bracket. When you multiply, you add the exponents. Number 11. Let's see. Okay, Margaret, back to you.
First one is 4 minus 2.
Okay.
Second is 4 minus 6.
Uh-huh.
The first one minus 6.
Yep. Okay. Just remember right here with the minus sign, you still have to multiply it to everything inside the bracket. So it becomes minus n minus 8. Okay, number 12. Brian, did you get this one? Alright, what about you, Titus? Did you get number 12? Sorry? D? Yes it is. Okay, so Titus, I'm asking you the next one, number 13. Okay, there are a total of 90 red and yellow tiles. There are 5 times as many red tiles as yellow tiles. How many red tiles are there? Okay, and you're probably thinking, what? Okay. There are 5 times as many red tiles as yellow tiles. So R equals. So remember when we did these type of questions, I said the variable that you see first, that's the variable that you want to start off with in your equation. So so that means R equals 5y. Okay? And then in total, R plus yellow is 90. Okay? So when you rewrite this, you can rewrite it as 5y plus y equals 90. So 6y equals 90, y equals 15. Oh, sorry, 7. What? 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 Did I make a mistake? I made a mistake. There are 5 times as many red tiles as yellow tiles. Yeah. They add up to 90. Where did I make my mistake? Oh, how many red tiles? How many? Oh, okay. I didn't read the question. So yes, this is correct. But the question was asking how many red tile is there. So there's 15 yellow tiles. That means there are 75 red tiles. Okay. So read the question carefully. Okay. Um. Number page 20. Number 13. Betsy, what did you get for 13? 13, good. Okay, so this is the giveaway is that it's bolded. So when it's bolded, you know that it's a variable. All right, number 14, Emmy, what did you get?
Oh,
Oh,
I didn't get that far.
okay. Furhead, did you get 14? 14, yeah, Max, you want to give it a try? Hannah, how about you? 14? No, Ivan? 14? No, okay, Hussein? Uh, yeah, C. Good. Okay. Um, let's go through this coding. What is the output of variable A if the program is run two and what if the program is run and 2 is entered for variable B and 6 is entered for variable C. Okay, so okay, what is the value of B? So it says 2. And then what is the value of C? And you entered 6. So variable A is 5 times 6 minus 2 divided by 4. Right? So when we do that math, 30 minus a half, basically. Okay. Oh, wait. The brackets. Bad math. Yes. I couldn't see the brackets. Must be my eye. Okay, so 5 minus 6, and then minus 2, and then divided by 4. Alright, so 30 minus 2, 28. 28 divided by 4, we get the 7. So that for output for A is 7. Okay. So technically this is a coding question, but instead if I just put this as x, this as y, and said x is 2, y is 6, and I gave you the equation where you have to do substitution, you can also figure it out. Okay. Number 15, Yancy.
So for the first one, I put B random change,
Good.
and then for the second one, I put A and value,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was confused on this one.
Okay, so then this one, it would be F if y input is greater than y value, then say that the point is above the line. Otherwise, the point is not above the line. So you know that you would be checking for one of these. Okay, so think of it as if your y value, y input is greater than the y value, it will mean that it's higher. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the y equals mx plus b format, okay, in a coding. Number 16. Numbers. Uh, let's see. Max. 16. Yep. Page 21. Number 16. Yep. Yep. Initial height of the plate is 5. Okay, so this is in y equals mx plus b form. So remember the number by itself is your initial value. So even though in this case they wrote it the other way, so remember 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3. And so the order of how they write it doesn't matter. It's just the number by itself. That's your initial value. Okay, 17, Elvin. 17. Yeah. Okay, and question? Yeah. B. Yep. Okay, at 30 minutes, the total mass of both of them are the same. So the intersection point. Okay. So if I were to ask more about something like this, remember we did quite a bit of analysis on these type of graph. When does basket 1 become more expensive? Or sorry, more heavy? Which is after 30 minutes. Good. Okay. Which basket started off lighter? Basket 1, because it had a lower initial value. How much lighter was basket 1 at the beginning? 200, right? So comparing the initial values, 300 and 100, so that means it was lighter by 200 grams at the beginning. Okay, good. So these are the type of questions that you might get on EQAO on analyzing intersection graphs. Okay, last question. Number 18. Emmy. Oh, good. Yeah, because good. Right, good. I wanted that word, steepness. Good. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. So this point right here, if you do, when you extend that graph, what do we call that again? When you have to extend the graph to a point, starts with the E, X, extra, yeah, extrapolation. Good job. All right, so this point right here looks like it's going to be at like 10 and 90, whereas this point right here looks like it's going to be at 10 and 110, roughly. Okay, so you can see that this one is less. Extrapolation, interpolation. Okay, so out of these 18, let me see. So these 18 questions were homework. Do you guys remember what mark you have to get to pass EQAO? 70, right. So out of these 18, how many of you think you got more than 13 correct? More than 13 correct on these 18. Okay, so if your hand is up, that means you pass EQAO. Yay! How many of you got all 18 correct? Yay! Yeah, I saw that hand up. Yay! Okay, so yes, let's keep AY Jackson on the podium. Okay, so for the rest of the class, you can actually finish the rest of the package. There isn't that many left. Okay, so page 22 to 29. So page 22 to 29. It's actually the same amount of questions. Yesterday you guys did number 1 to 18. Today is just number 19 to 33. Okay, so same amount of questions. And what's on page 34? Oh, sorry. Oh, what's on page 30? Did you guys know? Yeah, so all the answers were actually given on the back. Alright, so yes, you can also check your answer to see if you got it right or wrong. Alright, so let's work on the rest of this package. And then tomorrow or Friday, I'll give you guys the exam review package. So that we do some EQAO review, we do some exam review, and then we go back to EQAO review. Okay, so we'll do a mix of both. Okay.